Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have it at the middle, you may have it at the bottom, it depends on Android phone, and also this name depends on Android phone. I have stock Android right here and it calls allow access to contacts and call history. On your phone it may be contact sharing, call sharing, or something with call or something with sharing. To enable it you need to tap on time at the slider, if the slider have empty background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!